Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing me. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Forgotten password can be found here. So let's get started. First, go to Gmail app. Now slide this. Then click this. Now scroll down, then find this. So you can now see here your forgotten password, and you can now see all your other social media account password. So how to see your password? Just click any one of that. So if you're done to choose, just put your Gmail account password.